MCQs number 30 is from the Etea 2017 engineering paper, and now we will solve this. But before, let's see the statement. The largest number of molecules are present in the 22 gram of carbon dioxide, 64 grams of oxygen, oxygen molecule, 14 gram of nitrogen molecule, 90 gram of hydrogen sulfide, H2SO4. Now we will solve this. Solve that MCQs by converting all the masses into the mole. The option A contain 22 grams of carbon dioxide. Option B has 64 gram of oxygen molecule, and option C has 14 gram of nitrogen molecule, and 90 gram of H2SO4 is in option D. Now, as I discussed, let's convert all those masses into mole. As we know that 1 mole of carbon dioxide will be equal to the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So that is 12 and 32, and that is equal to 44 grams. Here 1 mole is the 44 gram, but we are given 22 grams, so we will divide both side by 2 for calculating 22 grams. So equal to 1 by 2 mole is equal to 22 grams. It means that 22 grams of carbon dioxide has 0.5 mole. Now that is the calculation of option A. Now we will calculate the option B, which has oxygen molecule. So oxygen molecule has a molecular mass 32 grams, but we are given it has 64 grams. So for getting 64 grams, we have to multiply it by 2. It means that 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 32 grams, and for getting 64 grams we have to multiply 32 by 2, so we will get 2 mole. It means that 64 grams of oxygen has 2 mole. This is the solution of option B. Now let's move to the option C. In the third option, in option C, we are given that 14 gram of nitrogen molecule. As we know that the molecular mass of nitrogen molecule is 28 gram, and that 28 gram of nitrogen molecule is equal to 1 mole. So, but we are given that 14 grams. So for obtaining 14 grams, we have to divide both sides by 2, as 28 gram of nitrogen molecule is equal to 1 mole, but for obtaining 14 gram we have to divide both sides by 2, and we get that 14 gram of nitrogen molecule is equal to the 0.5 mole of nitrogen molecule. Now we will move to the fourth option. In option D, we have H2SO4, and its mass is 90 grams. D, we have H2SO4, and its given mass is 90 grams. But we have to calculate its molecular mass, and which is 98 grams. How it's 98 grams? We have to multiply the atomic mass with the number of atoms. So hydrogen has 2 atoms and its atomic mass is 1, so it's 2, plus sulfur has 32 grams, atomic mass 32, sulfur atomic mass 32, plus the oxygen has atomic mass 16 multiplied by 4 atoms, so it is equal to the 64, and its addition is result 98 grams. Now look, if 1 mole of H2SO4 will be equal to 98 grams, but here we are given 90 grams, so 1 mole of H2SO4 is 98 grams. So how many mole will have the 90? 1 mole of H2SO4 is 98 gram, is equal to 98 gram, but we are given 90 gram. So let's see If we know that 98 gram of H2SO4 is 1 mole, how many mole will have the 90 gram of the same H2SO4? So we will use that trick and cross multiply it. X is unknown, so we get this expression, and we get that if we divide 90 by 98, we get 0.9 mole. That is the required answer of the option D. Option D has 0.9 mole. Now look, all those moles which we calculate in all those options. In the first option we calculate 0.5 mole. In the second option we calculate the 2 mole. In the third option we calculate the 0.5 mole. And in the last option, D option, we calculate 0.9 mole. So which option has more number of moles? That is option D. Its right answer is option D. Its right answer is option B.